Look at yourself. You're exhausted, not just physically, mentally, emotionally, completely drained. And you keep blaming your mornings. The alarm, the grogginess, the brain fog. But here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Your morning isn't the problem. Your night is destroying you. Every single night you make the same promise. I'll sleep early tonight. Then one scroll turns into 2 hours. One episode becomes 4. And somewhere around 1 a.m., you put your phone down, stare at the ceiling, and your brain won't shut off. You lie there replaying conversations, running through tomorrow's problems, and by the time you finally crash, it's too late. You wake up feeling like you lost a fight in your sleep. And the worst part? You've normalized it. Here's what the productivity gurus won't tell you. You cannot out-discipline a broken night. Your willpower, your focus, your drive, all of it is manufactured while you sleep. Wreck the sleep, you wreck the man. So let's fix it. 5 steps starting tonight. Step 1, set a hard stop time. Your brain needs 60 to 90 minutes to wind down before it can enter deep sleep. Cortisol doesn't just switch off. Pick a non-negotiable cutoff: phones down, screens off, and set an alarm for it right now. Label it Shutdown Protocol. Everything after that time is analog, no exceptions. Discipline doesn't start at 5 a.m. It starts the night before when you choose to stop. Step 2, kill the light. Blue light from your screen tells your brain it's still midday. It cuts melatonin production by up to 50% and destroys your REM sleep before you even close your eyes. Dim your lights 2 hours before bed, blue light glasses or night mode, pick one, and get the phone out of your bedroom entirely. Your environment is programming your biology every single night. Start programming it deliberately. Step 3, brain dump everything. You're not anxious, you're unorganized. The Zeigarnik effect proves that your brain will obsessively loop on unfinished tasks until they're written down. So grab a notebook, not your phone, and empty your head. Every task, every worry, every thought. Then write your top 3 priorities for tomorrow. Close the book, your brain finally has permission to rest. Step 4, cool the room down. Deep sleep requires your core body temperature to drop. A warm room physically blocks that process. Set your room between 65 and 68 degrees. Take a warm shower 90 minutes before bed. The cool down afterward triggers your body's sleep response automatically. Cold, dark, quiet. Engineer the environment or accept the consequences. Step 5, lock your wake time. Every day, including weekends, social jet lag. Shifting your wake time by even 90 minutes on Saturday throws off your circadian rhythm for the entire week. One sleep-in costs you 3 days of focus, energy, and output. Pick a time, hold it. Your body will adjust and start pulling you to sleep earlier on its own. This isn't a routine. This is how you rebuild the foundation everything else runs on. The workouts, the work, the relationships, all of it performs better when recovery is locked in. This is what it looks like when a man stops leaving his energy to chance. Comment night mode if you're starting this tonight. And subscribe, because this is where the real work gets done.